In the Window Objects Properties toolbox, you can define other geometric characteristics, such as the opening verse, the opening direction, internal or external. Every modification made to the window settings is also automatically updated. We then have the possibility of showing a reveal, if any, activating a sill or a casing. Inserting the reveal, we can also set various other parameters to indicate it in the upper section, and in this dialog, change its geometry. The sill object is also customizable. We can in fact define a certain thickness and the sizes of the inner and outer sills. The casing can be internal, external, or present on both sides. Another property is the frame. We can in fact specify whether internal, external, or on both sides, and then select the profile from the catalogue.